It's a continue of, because of, okay, now they will say now, thank you for your verification. Now you click here, go back. Now you have to do verification. You have to verify your phone number. So for the tutorial, this is where you put your phone number. Here where you put your phone number. Then you do your verification. The moment, once you show this brown green something, the moment that time you log out. You don't have to do extra thing, but you can just still click your, it will still show it like it. Then congratulations, you are now, look at now, they say congratulations, you are now a member. Now you come here and log out. Now we want to do the job. Now we want to log in. Want to see, okay, I made mistake. Then so look at now, we are logging in for the new account. So let me shift a bit. Look at now. Look at this, is the account is 00. Now we want to do one of the micro. Look at now, the account now is showing 00. Nothing is here, nothing is here. Now we want to do one of the job. So we want to do one of Facebook and one of Instagram and the other. So you see how I'm doing the job. You click yes. I will do 2 jobs here. You click visit link. See here, visit link. Here, say visit link. It will take you to the dashboard where the Facebook is. In your phone, you must get Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. So those are things. Look at now. Now I want to click follow. Now I'll click follow. Now I want to copy. See, this is the name. Here I want to copy. I will copy it like this. Sometimes it will always be there. Depends. If you are using phone. Now I'm using a screenshot shoot. Screenshot shoot. You can download it from your laptop and start using it. Or you go to YouTube. See it here. Even here to the name that I copy is also here. If you are using phone, you can just press it like this and copy it directly. But me, I'm using laptop to create this video. So now this is where you put the name. Here, this is where you put the name. Here where you do the screenshot, where the camera is. Here you put the screenshot. Now you paste it. You tap the camera like this. That place, look at now, you are seeing how this thing is doing in this place. Now you're taking me to where I screenshot the document is. Choose the wrong something. You see it? This is where I screenshot the page and put it. Then now you click upload. Upload your job. You see upload. Now once you upload it, this guy can't have no 1 naira inside. So on live on camera, you are seeing the earning. This is not just something that somebody say, okay, look at money I've entered. Let us go to the dashboard, the home page. You see, this is 3 naira. You see that this is the 3 naira we are seeing. See the 3 naira there. And when they review it, the money will come up here. So as simple as ABCD. Anytime you want to do it, you just click here. Once you click any, then you come here, you click get started. Then you click perform against tasks. Then this is the one of Instagram. Let me go for the one of Instagram to do another more one. Then you come here, generate task. You say yes. As easy as that. Now you go to do now. See do now. Then you see this is the name that you copy. Now you copy it like this. You bring it down for the downside here. In order for you not to forget, you bring it down and you paste it like this. Now you go back again, you click visit link. Now you click follow. Now you click with this tool. We call it. If you are using laptop, you use this screenshot tools. You will screenshot it like this and click save. You click it like this and you close this one. You go back again and you come for where the camera is. See this camera, this is where it says upload your screenshot. See, it will bring you to the dashboard where I see it. You see it here. You see this is the job that I screenshot. Now for live on camera you will see, and I have to answer your question how to withdraw. It's very easy. Now let us go back to the home page. You see how much is here? 6 naira. See 6 naira here. Look at 6 naira. And when they review, you see it. And once you want to withdraw it, you come here like this. You come to your profile. You click my profile. Now you go for withdraw. You go for withdraw here. You click withdraw. Now you say update bank details. And once you say update bank detail, you click the update bank detail. That means they want you to put your bank detail. Now once you select your bank, it's not OPay. You don't use OPay to put it here. It will not accept. See, all your bank in Nigeria are there, but apart from OPay and Money Point are not there. Then you can choose anyone that is here. Anyone that you feel that you are operating with. Like me that operating First Money Bank. Then you put the account number here. And once you put the account number in, you click verify. They will send the code to your email. Then you put the email. Then they will, that's when they will tick it good that you have done it correctly. That's just easy as that. So thank you for watching for this video. Please continue to support this channel by subscribing the YouTube channel for you to continue to see more quality videos like this. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. It will do us more good, and we that will bring you this update for you people, because it's not that easy to bring update to make money. Many people are wasted time, fall to scammers and all that, but now you are going directly to earn the money. So support the YouTube channel for everybody to see, and please share this video to others, for the others to register and start earning. And once you want to register somebody, you can just straight come straightly and use the video and show the person on how to register. As simple as that. Look at now, I'm still doing another work again. I just want the account to be more busy. Now I have 3 accounts. It's not that they say provided your energy can carry to do multiple accounts, you can be doing it. So that is how the OT is. Thank you for watching for this video. I don't want this video to be too long. Please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe. Please do a thumbs up for my channel, so that we can all be benefit. I need more thousands of subscribers for this channel. That is area you people will support me. Please subscribe to the channel. It's very important. Subscribe to the channel in order to make more quality videos like this. The more you people subscribe, the more energy you people added to us to do more quality video. Please share this video to your friends and loved ones. Please share this video to your friends and your loved ones, so that they too say they will be part of it. This is not something that only one person alone say, oh, only me I want to make them. Only you cannot make it. Or even only me, if you give me this job, only me I cannot finish it. It's not possible, because others can come and benefit, so that people who will be doing it and get more work to support their salary. Urgent 2K, you need urgent money. Within 24 hours you get your money. Within 24 hours. The minimum withdrawal on this site is 100 naira. Minimum withdrawal is 100 naira. Look at now, I've got make live on camera and make almost 9 naira. You can buy airtime. Look at here, you can buy airtime and data. Stop playing. You can buy airtime and data. That is one good part of it. You can sell your product on this line. When you're advertising your product, you can make quality sales. People will be buying it. Thank you for supporting this channel. Thank you.